Hi everyone, my name is Sandeep. I hold a bachelor's degree. I'm from Odisha. After completing my bachelor's, I joined Pyspiders and I took a course of Python full stack development. Python has been taught by Santosh sir and Django has been taught by Sagar sir, SQL taught by Karishma ma'am and web technology taught by Rishma ma'am. So the faculties are very good. Python sir told everything that he knows. Even they are very supportive. Whenever I was lagging somewhere, he was there to help me. Python sir, Django sir helped me like a big brother. Where I got stuck, he was there for me. Even the trainers are very good. After this, I joined grooming sessions to groom myself. They taught me how to go in interview, how to give interviews. Like your communication skills should be good. After that, HR placed me, give me a company to go and try once, and I cracked that company.